Southwest Airlines posts the first loss since 2011. Why? Ain't nobody flying nowhere. I think they're going, boom, you're free to move about the country. Ain't nobody going about the country. All right, sees revenues down as much as 95% in May. Airlines are getting smoked. But now, airlines did get a bailout. Now, I don't know how much of a bailout the airlines got, but they did. They got a bailout. Southwest expects revenue in May to fall as much as 95. That's huge. That's huge. The airline disclosed plans for a public stock offering and $1 billion in additional debt as bookings dry up. The coronavirus and stay-at-home orders have hit the airline industry especially hard. Well, that's only one. How about American Airlines? American Airlines stock dives on missed earnings and cash burn rate. I want to show you something that there was another story that showed that these airlines are losing a ton of money every month. A ton of money, a ton, not just a little bit, a ton of money every month. So I'm sure that the airlines are looking for the states to start lifting the stay-at-home orders. They really, really are. Now, what else is going on in here? Here's how much, this is the one. Here's how much cash Norwegian Cruise is burning a month. I don't want to do that. How about they're losing 110 to 150 million in cash a month. Holy smokes, that's a ton of money. Now I'm gonna have to sing this. The love boat soon we'll be making another run. I had to sing that. I just had to. But anyway, these companies, these resorts, I'm sure that Hilton and Marriott, all are feeling the effect. The airlines are feeling the effects. The shipping is feeling the effects. Ah, man, it is tough. And the two clickers I'm going to look at here is the Norwegian, Carnival. I'm also going to look at American Airlines, and I'm going to look at Southwest. You're going to find something very interesting about them, though. All right, as I open them up, you're going to find something very interesting about these stocks. Let's go find, there's Southwest, there's American, there's Carnival, and here's Norwegian. Let's analyze them real quick. Southwest, undervalued, like that. American, undervalued, like that. Carnival, undervalued, like that. Norwegian, undervalued, like that. Remember what our mantra is, to have you in safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price and in rising market. All of these companies that are in these industries, in these travel industries, are all undervalued. Let's look at their upside potential. Southwest, above 1 on RV, good upside potential. American, higher than 1, good upside potential. Carnival, good upside potential. Norwegian, no, good upside potential. So these companies are not only undervalued, they've got good upside potential. These are stocks that you don't mind holding long term, except for right now. They ain't doing anything. But these are good, strong companies that will go up over time. You ever heard the statement, there's a bad time to be in a good stock? These companies are undervalued. They've got good upside potential. Let's look at safety. Southwest, safe stock. That's the only one out of the 4 that is considered a safe stock. American, below 1 on relative safety. Carnival, below 1 on relative safety. Norwegian, below 1 on relative safety. Well, so the only one in here that does have good safety, not as risky, is Southwest Airlines. Well, we all know that they're all going down, so all of their RTs are below 1, and this recommendations of sells on all of them. Take it a step further. Southwest grows their earnings at a clip of 4%. Notice that all 4 companies I have highlighted grow their earnings at least in the positive. Because their stocks are getting beaten up, the CIs are horrible because these stocks are susceptible to a long downward move. So let's look at these graphs. Let's talk about that.
Upside potential is the same as RV?
Upside potential is RV. Upside potential is RV. RV looks at a stock's long-term upside potential. Look at LUV. Now, as some positivity about the market reopening, about the economy reopening, maybe you start to get ready about these stocks. Love. If I'm going to look at any one of these stocks to jump on board with, let's wait and see if the stock can get above the 20-day exponential moving average. That would be a good early entry. If you want more confirmation, wait for RT to go above 1. But look at that. How about American Airlines did get above and now challenging that level of the 20-day exponential moving average today. So you could be getting in real close to bottoms on these travel stocks. Carnival Cruise above the 20-day. Bad day today. Not terribly bad, but it's been above the 20-day exponential moving average for the last 2 days. I would really love to see RT move higher to go above 1. But if you're a little bit more aggressive like Rich, these may not be some bad trades to take, man. Look at these. These may not be that bad. Norwegian also going above. So Rich, if nothing else, I might have turned you on to some trades to take a look at, being the aggressive individual you are. All right, any questions?
Why is LUV stop higher than price?
Why is LUV's price, stop price higher than price? All of these stop prices are higher than price because the stop price is a 13-week moving average adjusted for the fundamentals of the stock. In order for a stock to get a sell recommendation, only one thing needs to happen. The stock's price has to go below the stop price. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do this. We'll move this over. Makes it a little easier. Anytime a stock's price goes below the stop price, the stock automatically becomes a sell. All right, good question. Any other questions, Joey?
Is it too late to buy put options on the travel?
Ooh, yes. So the question is it too late to buy put options on the travels? Yeah, these stocks have been sell recommendations, number one. RTs are so low on them. The move has already happened. I am not going to tell you. I think that there's more upside potential than downside risk. All right, so I probably would not buy puts on these. It's too late. The stocks have already moved. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.